Okay, so also when you first buy your car, it is highly recommended to Loctite the metal to metal screws. Taking a look at the underside of the chassis of your RC, all the smaller holes are the ones that I'd recommend one screw at a time to remove. Add a small amount of blue Loctite, make sure it's blue Loctite, and then replace the screws. Loctiting all these metal to metal screws, especially the vital screws, for example, will stop the engine mount screws coming loose, therefore causing gear stripping issues. One final point, make sure that all the screws are tightened correctly.